The Chevrolet Silverado 3D 500 HD stands as a titan in the heavy-duty truck segment, renowned for its formidable power and capability. As the automotive landscape evolves, anticipation is building for the next iteration of this workhorse, with significant updates expected around the 2027 model year or shortly thereafter. While the light-duty Silverado 1500 is widely expected to receive a major redesign for 2027, industry watchers suggest the heavy-duty lineup, including the 3D 500 HD, may see its most substantial transformation follow suit, potentially making the 2027 model year a transitional phase before a more comprehensive overhaul. Expected timeline: a phased approach to redesign. General Motors typically staggers the generational releases of its truck lines. Following the anticipated debut of a redesigned Silverado 1500 for 2027, the Silverado HD models 2500 HD and 3D 500 HD are expected to adopt new architecture and design language. Some sources indicate that while preliminary updates or new features might appear, the full-fledged next-generation Silverado 3D 500 HD could potentially roll out later in the 2027 model year or even as a 2028 model. For the immediate 2027 model year, the Silverado 3D 500 HD might largely carry over features from the 2025 and 2026 models, with more significant changes on the near horizon. Powertrain: continued muscle with an eye on the future. The heart of the Silverado 3D 500 HD has always been its potent engine lineup. For the next generation, expect Chevrolet to continue offering robust V8 engines, the proven 6L V8 gasoline engine and the formidable Duramax 6L V8 turbo diesel are likely to remain the core powertrain choices. Currently, the gasoline V8 delivers around 401 horsepower and 464 lb-ft of torque, while the Duramax diesel boasts figures in the realm of 470 horsepower and an impressive 975 lb-ft of torque. These engines are typically paired with the Allison-registered trademark 10-speed automatic transmission. Potential enhancements: while these engines are already strong performers, the next generation may see tweaks for increased power, torque, or improved fuel efficiency and emissions. GM has been developing its next-generation small-block V8 engines with a focus on efficiency, which could influence future HD offerings. Hybrid possibilities: the broader automotive trend towards electrification has sparked discussions about potential plug-in hybrid PHEV variants in the Silverado family. While this technology might debut on light-duty models first, its application in the heavy-duty segment, though less certain, remains a long-term possibility to balance capability with evolving emissions standards. Exterior styling: evolving strength. Based on spy shots and predictions for the next-generation Silverado 1500, which often previews design cues for the HD models, we could see refreshed aesthetics: a cleaner, possibly more sculpted and boxier design language could define the new Silverado HD. A taller shoulder line might contribute to an even more commanding presence. Modern lighting: expect updated LED headlight and taillight designs, potentially with distinctive signatures that align with Chevrolet's evolving truck identity. New platform: the next-gen Silverado HD is anticipated to ride on an updated version of GM's truck platform, potentially dubbed T12. An evolution of the current T1 architecture, allowing for enhanced capabilities and potential weight savings without a complete departure from a proven foundation. Functional updates: details like redesigned pillar grab handles for easier ingress and egress, new wheel designs, and potentially a more level stance have been noted in observations of next-gen Silverado prototypes. Interior and technology: a cabin for the modern era. The most significant transformations may occur inside the cabin. Tech-forward dashboard: a major interior overhaul is widely anticipated, centered around significantly larger digital displays. Spy shots of the upcoming Silverado 1500 interior reveal the potential for a massive, possibly continuous screen, integrating the driver's instrument cluster and the central infotainment system, similar to the expansive screens seen in recent Cadillac models. Upgraded infotainment: Chevrolet's latest infotainment system, likely with enhanced Google built-in features for navigation, voice assistance, and app integration, will be a centerpiece. Premium materials and layout: expect an uplift in interior material quality, improved switchgear, and a revised control layout for a more ergonomic and premium feel. Enhanced seat comfort could also be a focus. Advanced driver assistance. A comprehensive suite of standard and available advanced driver assistance systems ADAS is expected. This could include enhancements to features like forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and potentially broader availability of GM's Super Cruise hands-free driving technology on higher trim levels. Unwavering capability, towing and hauling prowess. The Silverado 3D 500 HD's reputation is built on its exceptional towing and hauling capabilities. The current Duramax-powered models can tow loads up to 36,000 pounds when properly equipped. Any next-generation model will undoubtedly aim to maintain or improve upon these class-leading figures, leveraging potential powertrain advancements and chassis refinements. Looking ahead. While the 2027 Chevrolet Silverado 3D 500 HD might serve as a bridge to a more comprehensively redesigned model, the near future promises significant advancements for Chevrolet's heavy-duty lineup. As the 2027 model year approaches, and with an eye perhaps towards 2028 for a full generational leap, prospective buyers can anticipate a Silverado 3D 500 HD that continues to push the boundaries of strength, technology, and refinement. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, official announcements from Chevrolet will be key as development progresses.